If, like me, you're a fan of mixed planting in containers, then there's a really simple rule that you can use to help you to get beautiful potted displays. So I've just popped into Mitre to get all of the ingredients I need. Now my recipe for the perfect potted combo starts with the perfect pot. And this is one of Northcote Pottery's Italian terracotta planters. Italian terracotta is beautiful because it's timeless, classic, and goes with almost any style of planting. Now for the perfect potting mix. Always make sure you look for a premium potting mix like this. You'll see an enormous difference in the growth and performance of your plants. Now let's do the thrill, fill and spill. So it all starts with what we call a thrill plant. Now a thriller is a plant that sits at the back of the container, so it stands tall and proud. So in this case, I'm using one of the beautiful lavenders. Next up is our fill plant. So as the name suggests, a fill plant is one that fills out the pot beautifully. So it might have a more rounded habit. I'm using one of the beautiful rhodanthes. This one's called Paper Cascade, and it's smothered in these papery white flowers all through the springtime. Finally, we can complete our potted picture with our spill plant. So that's a plant that you tuck into the side that is a ground covering plant or a trailing plant that just spills over the edge of the pot beautifully. So I'm using one of the bacopas, which is beautiful and long flowering. The key to keeping your potted combination looking really good is to make sure that you feed it. So get your hands on a tub of Scott's Osmocote all-purpose controlled release fertiliser. This can be a really dynamic form of container gardening, so don't be afraid to chop and change your plants from season to season to get a whole new look. So it's that easy to create a beautiful potted display.